Hi friends, I am Sajat and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare both the phones OnePlus 7 Pro versus the Realme X2 Pro in terms of the UFS 3.0. So which both the phones are having the UFS 3.0 read and write speeds. So a lot of viewers are asking me whether the Realme X2 Pro has the UFS 3.0 or not. So right now I'm using the Chinese version of the Realme X2 Pro device, and the Realme X2 Pro has the UFS 3.0 functionality in the 8GB and 128GB variant. So as you can see here, so 12GB and 256GB variant of the OnePlus 7 Pro, and which has the UFS 3.0, and the same case with the Realme X2 Pro. Even this phone has a UFS 3.0. So now in this video I'll be testing the read and write speeds in both the phones using the two applications which I downloaded from the Play Store. So first let me try the test in both the phones, and let's check whether both the phones are having the same kind of read and write speeds or not. So overall the speeds should be very close to each other, guys, because the Realme X2 Pro has a UFS 3.0 version. So let me show you the specifications of this one. So if you look at the specifications clearly, the 128GB and 156GB of the Realme X2 Pro should have the UFS 3.0. So overall, guys, in terms of the read and write speeds, both the phones should be performing the same level. So let's see, comparing the side by side results, whether both the phones are performing same or not. So as you can see here clearly, both the phones are pretty close, and in few scenarios the OnePlus 7 Pro is a winner, and in other scenarios the Realme X2 Pro is a winner. But in terms of the read and write speeds, both the phones are quite close to each other. Let me use the other application in terms of the read and write speeds in testing this one. So let me try the test again in both the phones, and let's compare both the phones after completing this benchmark test. So let's see which phone finishes the first in terms of the benchmark test. So same kind of test I did with the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So Redmi K20 Pro. So if you want to know more about that one, check the links in description, guys, for that. So as you can see, the Realme X2 Pro turned little bit faster. And now let's compare side by side. So here you can see top one and first one, the OnePlus 7 Pro is the winner, and in the second case OnePlus 7 Pro, and in third OnePlus 7 Pro, and in fourth, surprisingly, the Realme X2 Pro is a lot better than the OnePlus 7 Pro. As you can see, 156 versus the 29, and in the fifth case, OnePlus 7 Pro is a winner, and then Realme X2 Pro, and then Realme X2 Pro. But overall, guys, these are the benchmark comparison in terms of the read and write speeds of the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Realme X2 Pro device. So overall, you can see both the phones are performing pretty close to each other in terms of the read and write speeds. So this is a video just to compare both the phones, whether the Realme X2 Pro is performing like a high-end model or not in terms of the read and write speeds. So definitely yes, the Realme X2 Pro is very powerful in terms of the read and write speeds, even when compared with the high-end mobile like OnePlus 7 Pro. So that's it, guys. This is a quick comparison video of both the phones. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check the links in description, guys, for the playlist of both the phones. You can find a lot of comparison videos between both the devices. So see you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.